Did you really?
Yes, I was just like, I used to love rain.
I know, I'm recording.
And I read all these statistics, like they have the highest suicide rate. They have
Whoa! I saw a lightning bolt.
I know it's gonna. I know that this is gonna like go on YouTube.
They have the highest
gonna go on YouTube.
rate. They have the
Can
highest
I
like,
watch
stroke rate just
there?
due to the
Or
fact that
another
people go into depression because
Yeah.
of the rain.
It is. I worked there and people were schooling.
Dude, I'm gonna literally put this on YouTube. Oh my gosh.
The sunshine came out and all of a sudden everybody wants to be your friend. I'm like, you
You paid me for like 364 days, so
Totally go on YouTube.
yeah.
I hope nobody puts on the sound.
What?
I hope nobody puts on the sound. I don't want anybody to hear this.
I think it's song.
I don't know.
I got that one right when I hit stop. I got the
Do you want me done?
No.
It's taken for a long time.
I know. I want to record for a little bit.
Yeah.
Yeah, I know.
We're talking about how Seattle has the highest suicide rate.
I know. Okay, unlike my title, I'm gonna put like lightning storm with no rain, and I'm also gonna put like do not put on sound.
What?
There's like a lightning bolt.
Why are all those cars lights on?
Because it's nighttime and they want to see. I'll get you in a sec.
Could you even see my hand?
Yeah. It's easy. Brandon, stop it.
Place right here. It does like they do like little like
Grab my arm.
heart racing. And
Okay.
Yeah, it's because you keep on touching my hair and stuff.
often they'll have dirt bike racing.
Okay.
You aren't supposed to be touching like a girl, because if you touch a girl can touch you back. Well, unless it's like your mom or something.
Cart and stuff like that. Cute. Look at how full it is.
Oh my gosh.
There's dust everywhere. You're gonna see
Yeah,
it.
this is like little kart racing.
Oh, they're sprint cars.
Yeah, there you
My
go.
ex-boyfriend's dad, my ex-boyfriend, he races them, and my ex-boyfriend's dad builds them for a living. They live in Galveston. Yeah, his name is JJ Simmons. He's a sprint car racer. The second I saw the cart, I was like, oh, it's sprint car races.
They do it every single weekend, and we just have not been able to make it.
Oh, that's funny. It's really fun.
I know it looks like it would
It's
be.
really fun. And they go really fast.
Yeah.
Yeah. The second I got to see the car, I was like looking for the wings on the top. I'm like, oh, it's a sprint car.
You guys doing okay?
Yeah,
Is it quiet all of a sudden?
I'm recording.
Oh.
Oh,
I got like 15 more minutes left. I'm gonna record for like 4 minutes.